Now this is the same data, but where you're doing the first in, first out method. So you can see that all the data is the same. Because the data is the same, the physical units are the same. So I won't go over this. We did this in the weighted average cost video. What we do have to do though is deduct the units in opening work in process. So there were 10,000. And they were fully complete as regards to materials. Oops, need another nought there. And remember, they were 20% complete with respect to conversion. So the work done this month was 110 minus the 10 in terms of physical units, but with respect to direct materials, it was the same because they were all there, but with respect to conversion costs, it was 90 minus the 2. Okay, now the cost to account for, we've got the work in process, that was the 28,500, made up of the materials of 22,000 and the conversion costs of 6,500. And the costs that incurred in July was 356,400, made up of materials and conversion costs. So now we need to work out the cost per equivalent unit for work done this month. So that's 198 divided by 100. And that's 158,400 divided by 88. So we add these two together, we get the equivalent unit cost for work done this month. So now let's see how this flows through to our analysis of total costs. So the value in work in process at the end of the month well, we know for materials it was 30,000 units times $1.98, and for conversion costs it was 10,000 units times $1.80. So the total costs to account for was the 220 less the cost of work in process gives us the cost that must have gone to finished goods. And we do that again for the conversion costs. So we get the amount that's gone to finished goods. So now we can put in our totals. And we can see that the total cost to account for of 384,900 equals our total costs accounted for. We know how much has gone to our work in process and how much has gone to our finished goods.